DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. In Noida Extension, there is a growing demand for professional and reliable DGP surveyors who can accurately measure and map out the land for various projects. One such company that offers top-notch services in this field is isDGPSSurveyors Noida Extension. With their expertise and advanced technology, they provide accurate and precise measurements that are essential for any construction project. Their team of experienced surveyors uses DGPStechnology to collect data and create detailed maps that can be used for various purposes. One of the key services offered by DGPSSurveyors Noida Extension is SCON design. SCON stands for Site Control Network, which is an essential component in any construction project. It involves setting up a network of control points on the site that serve as reference points for all measurements and calculations. This ensures that all measurements are consistent and accurate throughout the project. SCON design requires a thorough understanding of the project requirements, as well as expertise in using advanced surveying equipment and software. The team at DGPSSurveyors Noida Extension has extensive experience in SCON design and is proficient in using the latest surveying equipment and software. They work closely with the clients to understand their specific requirements and develop a customized SCON design that meets their needs. By setting up an accurate and reliable control network, they ensure that all measurements taken during the construction process are precise and consistent. In addition to SCON design, DGPSSurveyors Noida Extension also offers a wide range of other surveying services. These include topographic surveys, boundary surveys, construction staking, and as-built surveys. Their team of highly skilled surveyors is equipped with the latest technology and knowledge to deliver accurate and reliable results for every project. The development and construction industries greatly benefit from the work of DGP surveyors. There is a rising need in Noida Extension for qualified and dependable DGP surveyors who can precisely measure and map the land for various projects. DGPSSurveyors Noida Extension is one such business that provides excellent services in this industry. They offer accurate and precise measures, which are crucial for any construction project, thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge technology. Their group of skilled surveyors employs DGPStechnology to gather information and produce in-depth maps that may be used for a variety of tasks. SCON design is one of the main services provided by DGPSSurveyors Noida Extension. Site Control Network, or SCON, is a crucial element of every construction project. It entails establishing a network of control points on the property that act as benchmarks for all computations and measurements. This guarantees that every measurement is accurate and constant throughout the project. SCON design calls for both in-depth knowledge of the project's requirements and proficiency